one thing we need to do. Okay, Vishal.
Yeah.
We need a name for Vishal. Given it's Vishal's first time on the panel.
And even Pavi, no? Or Pavi has already.
Pavi, do
Advertiser.
you have a name? No, Pavi also needs a name. Pavi has to come on
Advertiser.
us.
Right, sir.
What is it?
Advertiser.
Sir, my internet is...
Yes, Pavi? Can you hear?
What did... Yeah, now I can hear you. Huh.
No,
What is the name?
it wasn't internet. We were being assholes just speaking over you. So every time there's a new panelist
Huh.
on the rider provider show. Okay, this is what it's called now. Okay, we have to give them a name, right? Like
Okay.
Nishant is rider, I'm provider. Aishwarya is subscriber. Okay. Zakir is shire. Gopal Dutt is cider. KV is amplifier. Okay. Rahul Dua is satisfier. Okay. So we have to give people names. Something that ends with
Arr.
All right?
Hmm.
Ah.
विशाल भाई का सोच लिया मैंने एडवर्टाइजर.
Bobby, what about you?
Humidifier, क्योंकि
You-
सबके पसीने छूट जाते हैं मेरे आजू बाजू. Yeah.
Humidifier. Okay, done. We're gonna do the intro, all right? Hello and welcome to another episode with Ryder. Hello. We have subscriber looking very nice today, subscriber. Welcome to the
Thank you.
episode.
Thank
We have
you.
two new panelists today. First up, Vishal Dayama. Vishal, what are we going to call you? Advertiser. Because of all the brand work that you do.
It's
Welcome.
lagging for me.
Is it lagging? We'll do it again.
No, it's lagging for me.
Lagger, नहीं. आवाज आ रही है?
अब आ रही है हाँ. Just हुआ था.
We have a new panelist with us today, Vishal Dayama. Welcome, Vishal. We're going to call you advertiser because of all that brand money that you make, writing ads. And lastly, we have Pavitra Shetty. Pavi, welcome. Pavi, what are we going to call you?
I'm humidifier.
Why?
Because मेरे आजू बाजू सबके पसीने छूट जाते हैं. That's right.
And you're an adult?
Listen, I thought of the name first and then the joke, okay? It should be the other way around, but not a true comic.
Anyway, welcome to the episode. Friends, today we are watching. Man, what is the right intro for this? We're doing Tinder chat, right? Friends, today we are doing sponsored content for Tinder without them paying me. Today we are reviewing Tinder chat review. What this actually means is that Bumble will never pay me, so I won't take their name. All right? I should also be advertised. Anyway, we are doing Tinder chat review. Let's just.
You want to take this again?
We'll take it again. Friends, today we are doing sponsored content for Tinder, but without Tinder paying me. So the whole purpose of this episode is, hey Tinder, pay me. Thank you very much. Let's begin. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Pee, me, me, me. Let's put everyone's faces on screen.
Wait, you're a data scientist. Yeah.
We will do that.
Right. सवाल
That's the chat.
Okay. Chat, everything good? Hi chat, sorry. Link हटा दो. कौन सा link? हाँ, link हटा दिया. Don't worry, everything is gone. अभी आ भी जाएगा. मैंने पूरा folder reveal नहीं किया है. By the way, we are live on members only stream. There's a chat. Aishwarya, you are a member, so you can see it. All right.
I unsubscribed. I'm a subscriber who unsubscribed. That's the reality of your life.
When did you unsubscribe, Bacho? What is this?
I didn't unsubscribe purposely. It's just that my Apple ID was glitching, so everything on that ID got unsubscribed.
You know,
and
I
I
have
had
the-
to make a new ID.
I have the keys to Akash's room. You know this, right? I can just lock it, and which is technically kidnapping. Just
And
say,
what are you trying to say?
I will kidnap your boyfriend. Is what I'm trying to say.
I will kidnap your food, okay? Because that's the equivalent of boyfriend in your life, girlfriend in your life. I don't know.
I'm best comic. ये वाला meme डालूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. ये meme डालूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. All right, let's get to it. By the way, are you data scientists? Yeah, I am. I want to pursue the same. All the best. Hope you succeed. Arey, tell me how. That will cost you 500 a session for video call, 300 a session for voice call, 100 rupees for a topic with a job guarantee. Wow, it's a pretty civil conversation about education. I like it. ये वाला ओके था. इसमें कोई कमेंट है किसी का? मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा ये क्यों है इसके अंदर.
हाँ मुझे भी नहीं समझ आया.
हाँ.
Maybe that
मुझे समझ
person
में तो
has-
आया but it will cost 500 for a session.
Yeah, exactly.
Chat में किसने बोला pretty sure Aishwarya just shot a reel. She's looking pretty. That's true. She only,
Oh, thank you.
yeah, she only looks nice when she's shooting.
That's true. No, it's not even a dig at me. I agree wholeheartedly.
I don't even look nice. Anyway, I would like to practice some of my penalty kicks with you.
What?
What the fuck does this even mean?
That's all
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Of course, that's it. Yeah, this
I
is
thought
not
this was
good.
the cliffhanger कि अभी कुछ आएगा पर
इसमें कुछ deep है क्या? Penalty kick. Guys, does penalty kick mean something? Like, is this what the kids are calling it these days?
like nuts को kick करना because I got a chat. I mean, someone on one of my dating apps pinged and said that I like being kicked in the balls. So if you're interested, then reach out to me. And I'm
This was his first message to you?
yeah, first message, and all the images instead of his photos now had information about what that I forgot the name though now, but what does that mean and how do you do it and why it is.
Why did you match with this person in the first place?
Like, they enjoyed. Ashwa, I wish I knew why this person was like that because if I understood it, then probably even I am as weird and abnormal. So, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think what this means is that he wants to score, like penalty kick scoring.
Oh.
I think it might be that. Wow.
Yeah, actually, he loves domestic violence. He's like, कि देखते हैं कि कौन सा बहुत पड़ेगा.
अरे वो इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट में अलग अलग लोग नहीं आते क्या जो ट्यूबलाइट खा के दिखाते हैं
हाँ.
कि मुझे यहाँ लोहे से मार लो मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा ये
अच्छा,
वैसा
this is
लगा
that. All right, let's move ahead.
or it can mean she's a keeper.
Oh, wow. I think that's what it means, that she's a
That's what it
keeper.
means.
Yeah.
yes
Oh, damn. Abhi samjha मेरे को. Fuck. And Vishal, didn't you just get engaged? Bro, too early, bro. Too early.
क्या layers
Layers.
ये विशाल नहीं भेजा है किसी को. You
Yes.
played it cool. You stayed quiet for a minute, but got you.
कि कोई और फिगर कर लेगा फिर इसने देखा कि तो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं तो एक सेकंड
बोलना पड़ेगा.
Hania. Hello. Hey. Fair food? इंसान. You want to eat me? जैसे लोग चिकन खाते हैं, फिर मुझे इंसानों का खून पसंद है. What the fuck? And all this happened on my birthday, dude. Yuck.
What is this?
This happened now.
Oh, literally like
Now.
now.
अब भी परसों हुआ ये. Bro, ये राघव
God.
बहुत राघव
Yeah,
पर्सनल
tell
मैसेज डाल
Raghav to
रहा है.
stop doing stuff for your content. चाय
I
कम
think,
पड़ रहा है तो मैं
हाँ.
खुद क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, वो खुद ही क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ Photoshop.
राघव खुद मत बना यार. ढूंढ इंटरनेट पे बहुत है. Show me where you want my cock buried.
Oh god. Oh, bhai. Oh, insane.
Yeah.
This is Tinder or Grinder.
You can see it on Vishal's face. कि, Man, what am I doing with my life?
By the way, Vishal had completely different plans for today. I called him 3 minutes ago saying, Vishal, क्या कर रहा है? आजा. And now he's seeing dicks in a grinder. Give me your Instagram. I'll ping you there. इधर तो समझ नहीं आता क्या बातें करूं. Tinder और Instagram. बात तो कहीं भी नहीं करने वाली है.
She said while battling with him.
Too good.
Brutal. Hey, और पिकअप लाइन. पिकअप लाइन. ताजमहल को कहते हैं मैन मेड ब्यूटी इस था, बट नहीं देखी तुम्हारे जैसे क्यूटी इस था. ओके, व्हाट?
Okay.
इसका नाम होगा कुछ आस्था इस तरह से
आस्था होगा उसका नाम जो
Oh.
बार बार टाइपो कर रहा है.
He's been calling her Istha. Okay. I only eat once during daytime and then direct dinner. Oh my god, how do you tolerate, yaar? I have developed habit. What is your blood group? O positive. Q? Okay, do you know O positive has high chance of getting stomach cancer, and when you remain starved for long period, more gastric acids will be secreted leading to peptic ulcer and ultimately to cancer. ये अनमैच हुआ इसके बाद.
राघव क्या कर रहा है?
This
इसके
person
बाद
should have offered 500 rupees to like give all this extra information.
Yeah.
ये प्रैक्टो में भी टिंडर है क्या
Oh, hard. Hi, what are you on Tinder for? To sell vada paos. Question mark? Yeah, I have business in vada paos. I'm looking for sales assistant to sell them. Are you interested? Bye. So you're just here for sex, aren't you? That's true. People are forgetting the whole point of Tinder was to sell vada paos, dude.
Yeah.
Kanda bhajiya pav milega kya? Nahi. The girl is a doctor. Oh yeah, this is the girl was a doctor. Okay. What does a 27-year-old man and a 32-year-old woman usually do on Tinder? I'm not sure about the rules here. Well, rules are what we make. How about I tell you something I usually show with other people? Go on. I was going to call you beautiful, but beauty's on the inside and I haven't been inside you yet.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's a.
एक से तुमको क्या चाहिए? वड़ा पाव था, उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है। इसमें डायरेक्टली बात कर रहा है वो काम की, उसमें
See, all these boys don't defend this rubbish, okay? Inside to outside we won't let you come around with such questions.
पिछला वड़ा पाव था, ये चटनी है.
I mean, ये अगर I think it's meant to be ironic, no? It's meant to be like, hey, here's a
It's more
pickup line.
moronic.
Yeah, there needs to be like finger guns after this, otherwise it doesn't work.
Yeah. It needs to be like, haha.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Quite close. Are you at IITG? Yup. So what are you pursuing? Art. I would like to fuck with you. What?
Oh,
Wow.
you are fucking with her, but you won't fuck her. You will fuck with her.
Have to wait for
For sure.
her.
I think वो बोल रहा था, I would like to fuck with you. 2 minutes later, I'm actually a Bitsian. And not IT. This is an IT. It's an IIT Bits joke. Thank you,
No, we
Vishal.
got it.
Thank you, Vishal, for laughing at it. Fuck you, Ashwini. You don't know this joke.
Okay,
You don't get this joke.
very
IIT और Bitsians की बनती नहीं है. That's the joke.
हाँ.
No, we got it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
और इन चैट्स में लड़के और लड़कों की भी बन नहीं रही है.
He might be an IITG, but he's not getting close to her G. Nishant bhai vada pav review. Chat में चालू हो गया. Nice, okay. Aishwarya's back, okay. Can we pat street doggos on our first date? I would love that date. Can you run fast? I don't think so. Why do I have to run? We'll be running after dogs or from the dog. No, if we go on date, just know everything's free. You just gotta run when I do. Raghav, what the fuck are these,
क्या
man?
कर रहा है?
ये अब अलग ही जोन में चला गया। अब इस पे हंसी नहीं आ रही, अब राघव ने क्या डाला उस पे हंसी आ रही।
ये क्या बकचोदी डाली है यार? इतना खराब है ये वाला यार. Yuck.
Can we run away from these screenshots?
Yeah, we're gonna give these like 10 more slides. If not, we're just gonna move to Bollywood shit posting. Can you help?
Wow, 10 more, huh?
10. Yeah, because there's like 15 left. So, can you help me out to Ritu Parivartan of my relationship status? नहीं कोई खास दिलचस्पी नहीं है. Okay, fuck you, Raghav. All right.
Ritu only looked pissed in that emoji also.
Man, Pavi never
Both
stopped
the-
trying. She'll make one joke at least.
कोशिश जारी है.
होता है
All
कभी कभी ऑफिस में काम करने का मन नहीं होता ना किसी दिन। ये राघव का वो है आज।
हाँ, ये क्या है? All right, so where are you from? Siliguri. All right, let me get my reservation in Brahmaputra Mail. By the way, no pictures? मन नहीं है फोटो लगाने का. So why are you on this dating platform without pictures? क्या सोचकर आए थे? मैच खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा. All right. दुनिया में कितने डेस्पो है देखने की है जो एनिमे को भी राइट स्वाइप करते हैं?
Nice.
Nice, that's a good one.
Very nice.
Oh.
राघव ओपन द चैट।
एक अच्छा आ गया भाई. क्या बात है?
शाबाश राघव.
But that's why पर ये एनिमे पे क्यों राइट स्वाइप करते हैं लोग? Depending on what kind of porn you watch. I guess.
अंधा राइट स्वाइप करते हैं ना लोग.
Yeah,
ऐसे.
tak.
It's all about a game of probability. If you do
Oh.
100, one will happen.
ऐसे पर there are like apps which just swipe like 5,000 right swipes on something.
अरे पर वो साथ में
Why
टाइम
you
पास भी
know
तो होता
about
होगा
this,
ना।
Tanmay?
Next slide.
मैंने बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है दोस्तों।
That's why. I'm just curious about startups, right? Like I just want to know what's happening in the industry. You know, as dating industry is a $4 billion industry, right? So you have to keep up with the trends.
कल मैंने अपनी टेंडर आईडी बांग्लादेश में दे रखी है बच्चों को. स्वाइप करता पूरा दिन बैठ के.
Hello Nazim, how many? 9,000 today? Good. Keep it up.
जल्दी करने तो शर्ट बनाने पड़ेंगे.
All right. Vishal has come with zero filter. I love it. Any Bangladeshis in chat? All right. Put user.
What are you doing out here? Go swipe right.
How did you get internet? Stay away from
ये देखो. Stay away from Kolkata. वाह, वरुण ये सब रख देना. मैं एडिट पे बताता हूँ क्या निकालना है. Hey wow, you look so pretty. Haha, thanks. Well, maybe it's filters. Wow.
Brutal.
Vishal, was this you? Was this you?
No, I wasn't.
Unnecessarily spitting out truth. Aishwarya, was this you?
I think I'm the one who received it.
Yeah.
Just now before. Yeah.
Well, maybe you were making a reel. Studying an IIT-related course. You? Pure chemistry. That's awesome. I tried to... Who says pure chemistry, dude? Is that what the field is called? Just chemistry.
No.
No?
नहीं कभी कभी ना कॉलेज में केमिस्ट्री के साथ हल्का सा बायो भी पढ़ा देते हैं, कई जगह फिजिक्स भी
अच्छा।
पढ़ा देते हैं, प्योर पढ़ रहे हैं हम ऐसा साइड में और कुछ नहीं कर
या
रहे।
फिर this is a very bad seduction technique.
Yeah, it feels very
Yeah.
seductive. What are you studying?
Or maybe Aloknath is teaching him. That's
Yeah,
why.
maybe, yeah.
मतलब मुझे इसमें वो रेस्टोरेंट का मैक्स याद आया था, प्योर केमिस्ट्री पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं।
Pure chemistry. Studying an IT-related course. You? Pure chemistry. That's awesome. I tried telling a chemistry joke once, but I got no reaction. Haha, what's the joke? Maybe I might
Oh
understand.
man.
Yeah.
Oof.
It's also pure dumb.
ओपन माइक ऑडियंस।
Open mic audience. Oh my god. क्या था? Breaking Bad. तने भाई शर्ट बनाते बनाते भाग गया हूँ आपके टिंडर पे स्वाइप करने 9,000 हो गए हो। अरे है बाबा मेरे चैट में बांग्लादेशी बच्चे नहीं है पर हाँ तावीद इज फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश।
Oh man. We're actually indulging.
Sorry
in
guys.
this.
Yeah. Dude, बांग्लादेशी GDP rising faster than India's, right? तो देखो सुपर चैट रेवेन्यू कहीं से भी आए, it's useful.
Can you edit this out? please?
हाँ?
Edit this.
सुपर चैट के लिए तब भाई थोड़ा सा आगे डांस।
अरे लव बांग्लादेश, बिग फैन ऑफ ढाका. Let's play.
सॉरी कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ।
Big fan of Zaka and Hasibul Hasan. Sakibul Hasan.
Shakibul Hasan.
हसीबुल हसन भी होगा ना, तेरे को क्या पता है कि नहीं होगा कहीं तो टीम में.
Oof.
Let's play. Is this Aishwarya, why do you not like these Bangladeshi jokes?
I don't know. I'm scared that someone might get offended in Bangladesh and my career will end. And that's
यार,
not how I want my
बांग्लादेश से
career to
थोड़ी
end.
डरेंगे।
Yeah, but your career will end in
बांग्लादेश
Bangladesh.
से
No, that's
I'm
fine.
worried your friends are offended and my career will start like this. I don't want that.
All right. First, let's play carpenter. First, we get hammered, then I nail you. Yuck.
Ooh.
डरेंगे।
Question mark? पहले हम हथौड़ा खाएंगे, फिर मैं आप पे कील ठोकूंगा. This is the
Why does it sound worse?
yeah.
Yeah, this is very Jesus feel with Kilu and all.
ये जो कट जाएगा. It feels very like this is the pickup line version of अगला स्टेशन बैंड्रा, next station Bandra, पुढील station Bandra.
Bandre. It's Bandra,
It's-
Bandra,
हाँ,
Bandre.
yeah.
आंद्रे।
पुढील station
this is-
This
Bandre.
is also every conversation with Basti. I first speak to him in English. मतलब then I speak in Hindi. He's like अंग्रेजी समझ में आती है. Like it's always the same.
This is yes, daddy G पिताजी वाला।
Hmm. Roses are red. Modi is best PM. I want to write a poem to slide into your DM. Modi is best PM. This was something new. Laughing, crying, laughing. ये वाला कट जाएगा.
Yes.
और वरुण ये रख वीडियो में जब मैं बोलता हूँ ये वाला कट जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. DM के साथ और क्या राइम होता है? सिर्फ PM ही है.
सीएम भी होता है, पर
CM भी
PM
तो
ऊपर है ना।
Yeah.
पर
GM.
कोई GM भी होता है.
पर पीएम से बड़ा कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना। और
हाँ.
बंदी इमोटिकॉन में हंसना नहीं रुक रही, इतना फनी था मतलब वो।
You can meme को अगर तुमको वैसे pronounce करना है तो कर
Meme.
सकते हो. Meme.
नियम।
वो तो मेमे
अरे तावी, thank you for the $5. $5 coming from Bangladesh. Vishal, are you noticing? By the way, इंडिया से अभी तक सिर्फ एक 20 रुपए आया है. ठीक है. Just showing you how GDP is growing.
वो जाके लाया भी, पार्लियामेंट गया था इतनी देर बाद इसलिए किया उसने।
Tanmay is unaffected by career खत्म वाला statement. That's true. This is a joke now.
कितनी बार करोगे?
No. Facebook? Yes. Nam? Priya Biswas. What is your actual name? Actually, I was a Chirtain after marriage become a Muslim. Oh, actually,
Christian.
actually, I was a Christian after marriage become Muslim, so name has been Ching.
तो हिंदू बनो ना. हिंदू कैसे बन गए तुम बीच में?
You are married? Yes. How you know?
यार ये तो वो है, वो कौन सी वो नवाज और उसकी पिक्चर में एक विश्वास था ना जो मारता था लोगों को।
बहुत
विश्वास,
विश्वास
और
कहानी.
विश्वास तुम्हें कैसे पता? I'm married.
I can't, every time you change religion, IQ points drop or what? Like, you change it 6 times. All right. You just said yes. Are you a waitress? Because I'd give you more than just the tip. Ooh. Why would I be a waitress now? इसको समझा ही नहीं. इसको समझा ही
ये
नहीं.
सेम पूरी केमिस्ट्री वाली है. I mean pure chemistry.
Pure.
Did everyone understand this joke? I feel like not everyone understands
Yeah,
this joke. Chat, did you understand this joke?
ये तन्मय भाई सिखा के मानेंगे, बता दो
मेरे को सिखाना ही है.
डिस्प्ले करके. हाँ तो ये माइक है, दिखाओ कैसे.
I know what the joke is. I got it.
Yeah, can you explain?
Sexual joke.
Can you explain?
It's a sexual joke.
What's the sexual
Men ka organ, basically tip, okay? And
So tip of our wallets. Okay, then.
yeah, so when you have the whole wallet,
Yeah, got it.
yeah,
When you have the whole wallet, let's
Your
move on.
whole- Yes.
then just
Chat.
there's so much to.
चैट में किसी ने बीजे लिखा है भाई. दिस इज नॉट दैट. छोड़ दो. इसलिए भाई इंडिया में सेक्स एड की बहुत जरूरत है यार.
बांग्लादेशी
एक
भी
और
लग सकता है।
तन्मय भाई को एक और चैनल दिखता हूँ. सेक्सुअली बेस्ड
Sexually
तन्मय
based.
भाई. ये जो
न्यूरोसाइंस ऑफ सेक्स. हाय. तुम नहीं समझोगे अंजलि, सिर्फ हाय करने से कुछ नहीं होता. माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर.
Oh wow.
Wow, this pickup line was.
ट्रू कॉलर पर दल्ला लिखा आ रहा है.
Oh, बाप रे.
ओ भाई.
What?
Aishwarya, this is
Transition.
Aishwarya, you know, this is a scam, right? Dating app से बहुत सारे प्रोफाइल बनते हैं of like, you know, like lady of the night type. Oh, you can WhatsApp for sexy pictures. तो उनको आप हाय भी बोलते हो ना, तो सीधा WhatsApp नंबर आता है. फिर आप WhatsApp करते हो तो 500 रुपए मांगते हैं. Say, oh, we'll show picture, etc. तो इस बंदे ने पूरा ट्रू कॉलर पर दल्ला लिखा आ रहा है.
I thought he's just being rude.
No.
अंजलि गुप्ता.
He's being hilarious.
Nice.
वरुण ये पूरा रखना. हाँ, क्या बोले निशान भाई?
नहीं मैं मतलब honest, not rude. He's just honest.
He's just calling them facts as they are, and the facts are this is dalla.
दल्ले ने पर अंजलि की स्पेलिंग भी सही नहीं दिखी.
क्या लिखी?
हाँ
अंजलि.
भाई अंजलि.
क्योंकि वो अंजलि नहीं है.
He's like an Anjali
तो
from
फर्क ही नहीं
Pakistan.
पड़ा.
क्योंकि विशाल उसको 600 प्रोफाइल बनाने हैं ना. सबके स्पेलिंग राइट तो नहीं लिखेगा.
ANJEE ANJI
एंजल, एंजेलिना जॉली.
Angel Gupta.
You know, when you're dalla, life is in the fast lane, bro. You gotta keep things quick. You know what Dalla would probably say to this. Say like, this is the hustle. It's part of the hustle. Hey, hi. Firstly, let me get this straight. I'm not here for anything other than casual friendship. My sister insists me to create an account since I find her Tinder bullshit. Might delete later. Bye.
भाई ये तो बहुत रूड है.
No, but I
नहीं
can,
उसने बाय के बाद इमोजी डाला है शायद.
नहीं ये उसकी बात कर रहे हो ना जिसने इतना लंबा
Talking
लिखा
about
उसकी
the
बात कर
girl
रहे
is.
हो.
अच्छा
हाँ,
हाँ.
oh, the girl was rude or what? Oh.
या गर्ल वाज
Yeah,
रूड.
this is too much.
हाँ, मेरा कोई मन नहीं था
Bias
मिलने
तो
का.
very appropriate.
बट डिलीट लेटर के बाद उसने भी स्माइली इमोजी.
Yeah, but that emoji is also one of the most fuck you emojis.
Yeah, when you don't put an emoji but use only emoticon, like I mean punctuations, and you're like ये लो.
Yeah.
I think Pavitra will take any feedback with emoji, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, after
Pavitra. और funny बनना.
See? I'm not offended. I always wanted to be funnier in my life. It's been a lifelong dream of mine.
Are you sad as fuck? Because same. That's
Okay.
it.
Oh,
उसका
it's
नाम
because the
सदाफ
name
है.
is.
Sadaf.
Oh, Sadaf. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good start. I
This
like
is a
it.
very common thing. though.
Yeah.
What?
Even Fawad Khan's name is wife's name is Sadaf.
Yeah.
And Manoj had tweeted once ki how can someone who's married to Fawad Khan be sad as fuck?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, 500 MX. Ankit, ये क्या कौन सा करेंसी है? Thank you so much. Tanmay knowledge compass is from advanced crypto to Paytm girls. That's true. Why do I know this? Hey there. Hey Karen. So tell me about yourself. You have 3 messages to seriously catch my interest. This is how I weed out all the boring melons on Tinder. Lol. Fuck. Oh man, the pressure. Oh shit, that was already a message. Oh man, you're going to make this one count then. Oh, that's funny. Wow, that's very
Nice.
good. Well done. Good
Good.
talking to Karen.
Karen के लिए तो चल जाएगा.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know why she thinks melons are boring. Anyway.
Melons are. और कुछ है इसके अंदर कुछ और.
इसमें इमोजी अगर डाल देते तो पवित्रा को सही लगता.
है ना Karen ने तो यूज किया है.
Karen ने तो use करा है ठीक
और
से.
हमारे भाई साहब ने तो
2
मतलब
बार.
चीख के बात किया है. उसने कैप्स लॉक में लिखा है सब कुछ. Oh shit, that was already like.
अरे वो
Much
परफॉर्म
advice.
कर रहा है. वो तो परफॉर्म कर रहा है बेचारा.
Haha, good one, Pavitra.
वो इधर से Vishal's tongue out. It was barely the tongue was out.
Oh, got it. 15 ka quality before I can get to US from India. Oh, okay, got it, Ankit. All the best, buddy. You must be an astromech droid because you are too good looking. And if you're lucky, you might get the D2. Oh, damn, now that is a good one.
Yeah, that was actually.
Wow, right?
I
Wow.
will take the D2 after this.
You're coming home? What? Is that the joke? Are you coming over? Akash is
No,
not here. but-
like. Stop it!
Oh, got
She's
it.
saying iska.
Oh, she's saying iska.
Yeah, after that. Like after
God.
getting.
This is Bewafa Aishwarya, I don't like. If you're 5'8" without shoes, that means you're 4'20". इसमें और कुछ है? By the way, इसमें और कुछ है? Anything? What's the nicest pickup line you ever heard of, Aishwarya? No, take your
I
time.
think the nicest pickup line I think is something that I only used to sing.
Which is what?
On my opening line on Bumble used to be, "Please चले जाओ यहाँ से मेरे पति घर आते ही होंगे."
That's pretty good. I used to open with. I used to have this one joke wherever someone used to be like, "Hey, tell me a pickup line." I'd be like, "Hey, did you just fart? Because you blow me away."
Yeah.
Wow.
I
Good
know.
one, Tanmay.
I know. Good one. We got an ending. If you're 5'8" without shoes, that means you're 4'20". With shoes, you'd be 69, which is pretty cool. Are you an engineer? Smart guys. Believe it or not, I do get that a lot, but I'm actually pretty fucking stupid.
Nah, you gotta be really smart to admit that you're stupid.
Yeah, 10 on 10 for honesty.
And for emoji.
Yes. Mm.
All right, let's move on. When do you want to take out the trash? It's me. I'm the trash. Just remember that it doesn't make you any less amazing or capable. It's a trash can, not a trash cannot. Oh! Oh!
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Please be married.
Yeah.
इनकी शादी नहीं हुई ना तो मतलब मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा.
So cute, Kachra and Kachri, dude. So sweet.
Kachra.
Kachra and Kachri.
Lagan part 2 is coming right.
Dude,
Horrible.
how people be looking like this and calling themselves
Full trashu. Trashu.
trash? Want to plant tulips? I would love that. Wow. You would love to plant tulips on my dick.
I hate
I
that.
hate men.
Oh man, beautiful. What an emotion.
Wow. इतना sweetly tulip का flower चला था
I
यार.
knew it would be something around tulips. only.
Yeah, lip.
But I just
मुझे
never
lips का
thought
लगा.
हाँ. I didn't think it would be so direct, from tulips to my dick. No.
Just feels like, what is this escalation like? तुम्हें देख के मेरी
But
कौन-
her escalation was also like, I hate. तो मेरा हो गया ये uninstall.
उसने भी तो
ये
छत
तुम्हें फूल पसंद है? मेरे कांटे देखोगी?
यार the escalation is like तुम्हारी जिंदगी तुम जब से मेरी जिंदगी में आए मेरी जिंदगी बाहर बन गई. Oh, it's such a लड़ देखी क्या तू? Unnecessary aggression.
मुझे मौत चाहिए.
मुझे मौत चाहिए. Tell me a fun fact about yourself. I have type 1 diabetes.
Oh,
That's fun.
what's so fun?
That's
Yeah.
kind of sweet.
Well, very interesting. I'm 23% deaf. About to be 50% after I'm more in your years. Oh, damn.
Oh, bhai sahab.
Yeah.
Don't know. if-
Diabetes is definitely not affecting her vocal cords.
Yeah.
He is a mourning person.
हॉस्पिटल के रिसेप्शन पे चैट हो रही है या
Oh. If you had a warning label, what would yours say? Product contains nuts. Okay, but I can't imagine a mature adult saying it. What is your idea of mature adult? Someone who is able to respond to various circumstances in an appropriate manner. Girl, your question literally had no favorable outcome. This product is known in the state of California to increase risk cancer. Do not use if you have epilepsy or are prone to seizures. Caution, slippery when wet. Caution, do not spray nice. Do not use orally. Wow.
Wow.
It's quite a clap.
छह
Good.
punchlines दी दिए यार इतना
Yeah.
punchline मतलब I'm impressed.
I'm nuts about this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. If a fat man in a red suit kidnaps you, don't worry. I might have told Santa I want you for Christmas. I fucking hope that a fat sack of shit tries with me. 23 years of skipping my house because he's an anti-Semite. For Christmas, I want vengeance. Oh my god. Oh, that's hilarious. Imagine got the religion only wrong. Any other jokes here, friends? Anything else? We got, 3 comics and a humor writer here with us. Anything to add, my friends? Any jokes? Well, why did I say 3? I excluded myself from that list. Why did I do that? This guy has Santa issues. No. Mourning person. Sales pitch deep. Anything chat is saying? Is chat being funny? Please चले जाओ यहाँ से ऐश्वर्या मे भी बीवी घर आती होगी बोला है ताविद ने. Dude, Tavid is highest spender. He's a Bangladeshi. Again, I'm telling you.
Increase your revenue.
Now you're trying to make me a bewafa, but I'm gonna stick. Okay, I
You
know
are-
what
you are
Akash
anyways.
has.
You are bewafa only.
Exactly.
Chalo. Hey, are you sub or dom? Well, I like Subway, but I'm definitely more for Domino's gal.
Nice.
What is this? I didn't understand.
Submissive and dominated.
Oh,
अच्छा subordinate. हाँ subordinate.
Oh God, what are you guys
Subordinate.
doing in life? What is this?
But subordinate भी तुम्हारे नीचे ही होता है ना, तो ये भी मतलब हुआ.
And this,
I need to know technicalities.
Yeah, but your boss never ever says in a meeting, all these submissives
Hey,
of
Chandra, you
mine.
don't know what has happened in my life. Okay, so you can't say about.
Fair.
Why do you think I left?
yeah. Our boss used to say with an emoji.
All of these are my submissives. Not gonna lie, I've spent the last 22 hours trying to think of joke involving the name Tuesday. I just can't come up with one. I guess it just isn't my day. 22 hours and that's the best you've got? Your parents had the whole week and that's the best they came up with. Dude, why would you
Too
call your
good.
child Tuesday? Actually, to be fair, Mangal is also like a desi
Yeah,
name.
Mangal Pandey.
Yeah, we never had issues with that.
Yeah.
But they didn't call them Mangal. Why?
Var.
They just called him Mangal. So then she should have been like Chews.
War is basically day, no? Oh, yeah, Tues.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuse lips.
Choose lips. Mangal, Som, Budh,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but these are normal proper nouns. Like
Yeah.
it's not. Tuesday is not.
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि हिंदी में तो 7 लोगों को ढूंढ के ही नाम रख दिया है।
नाम रखे
तेरा
हाँ.
क्या नाम है रवि? तो ये
रविवार है
रवि।
आज का दिन तेरा नाम रवि
दिन तुम्हारा होगा साल मेरा.
Would you like to have sex with your clone? Would you like to have sex with your clone? Fast yes. Easy. Smart choice. I'd have sex with your clone too.
Oh.
Good one. That was a smart one.
Playing on relatability.
I really like fast yes as an
Yeah.
emotion. Fast yes. What would you say fast yes to? Vada
Like
pav.
directly
Fast. In Delhi, there is a slang, no? For past years is तुरंत से पहले.
Ah.
Ah, तुरंत से पहले. Oh, I love that. तुरंत से पहले.
It's like saying also take all my money.
take all my money. तुरंत से पहले is nicer though.
Of
Yeah,
course, it's,
I can
I'm not
say-
even competing.
Yeah, like I can use it in different ways. Like तुरंत से
Yeah.
पहले video पे like दबाओ और comment. See, I can also say take all my money and like दबाओ, but I don't want to lose money. Hey, how are your holidays going? Happy anniversary. I feel like we're drifting apart. Merry Christmas. I still care about you.
I died
Ah,
yesterday.
so cute.
2016, 17, 18, 19.
Oh shit, dude! If this person doesn't follow up in 20, I would have followed up. Like genuine worry.
Is
would
it
happen.
okay? Has COVID hit you? Are you fine?
Did you take vaccine?
Nice.
I'm getting married tomorrow, but you still have chance. Let me know.
Bro, एक साल बाद मैसेज किया उसने यार.
हाँ दिसंबर में
Hmm.
हर साल दिसंबर में
Wow. Yeah, that's fine then. Haha. Are you at uni? No, I deferred my course. So I just work full time at moment. Oh sweet. What did you defer? A dual degree of agribusiness and sustainable agriculture. I've got some experience with agriculture. Oh cool.
No.
What have you done with it?
Nice.
Mainly just plowing and laying seed. नहीं समझा किसी को?
समझ गया, but
Ashwin was like, no, I understood. Unfortunately.
Get it.
Understood
this is like if anyone will laugh at everyone saw it coming. and then coming.
Coming, yeah.
नहीं नहीं तन्नू भाई तो इसलिए पूछते किसी को नहीं समझा क्योंकि मेरे को एक बार एक्सप्लेन करने का मन है तो फिर बोल तो नहीं समझा
I doesn't understand. Please
Okay,
explain, Tannu.
seed, beach, right? Seed equal to semen. Okay. So laying seed means laying semen into someone.
अरे बॉलीवुड में मेरी कोख में तुम्हारा बीज पल रहा है
Ah, beach is that only.
तुरंत से पहले.
Also, seed is not.
Huh?
Seed is not semen. If you're actually going to explain.
What is seed?
Sperm.
Beach.
Sperm.
Seed is.
Semen constitutes sperms.
Oh, sorry. Who cares? You gotta wipe it off anyway. So.
हमारा तो बाहर ही गिर रहा है.
Waste क्यों रहा है ना? Why did the shrimp not like to share? Why? He was a little shellfish. Harsh, some are big.
Harsh.
harsh,
Harsh. Harsh.
If you think shrimp are big, this just might work.
Nice. Oh man.
Oh, good
He
one.
started off with a
Repetitive.
pleasure, but then फिर उसके बाद he redeemed himself with a witty comeback.
Yeah. Dude, Harsh is a smart guy. Are you vasopressin? You just sent my heart rate through the roof. Oh,
What is vasopressin?
it's something that sends your heart rate through the roof.
Yeah.
Is it anxiety?
No, vasopressin is a drug
It's a drug.
which is used for. Okay.
You matched with my roommate and said the same thing. We love the hustle. I'm laughing out loud. Tell her I said hi. My other roommate, who you also matched with, says hi too.
Oh man.
Well, we should all get a cup of coffee and catch up tomorrow. यहाँ मेरे असली दोस्त प्लान नहीं बनाते मेरे साथ और यहाँ टिंडर पे इसकी जनरल
You're
प्लान
right.
बन रही है.
How I Met Your Mother and her roommate and her other roommate also.
So how often do people open with car related puns using your name? Way too often, and it's usually very unoriginal. Mercedes है उसका नाम. Dang, that must drive you crazy.
Hey, boy,
Good one,
boy,
good
boy.
one. Land kiya. That was good. That was good. What else could he have said? Way too often. Man, you must go from 0
I
to
want to
100.
see at mine. Oh God, go ahead.
You want to see my S class?
Yeah.
If you say anything like that, it will sound dirty.
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah.
see my S class?
S class.
Yeah, baby.
Class right. Don't
Do you want to see my wipers?
Just Vishal saying it. For me, that's it. That's
Yeah.
sending me right now.
Vasopressin equals to oxytocin equals to love hormone. Got it. Send nudes as opening line. Wow. Lamau, Tinder just asked me if you sent any appropriate messages. Lamafao, Tinder knows. Yeah, watch this. Send nudes. It didn't work. Damn, maybe it knows you're the creepy one.
Oh, bzz, bzz, nice.
Yeah. What, Aishwarya?
No, I just need a sound.
What was the sound?
Bzz, bzz.
Nice.
This action.
Bzz, bzz.
Laying
Aishwarya,
her seeds with her double.
Aishwarya, have you ever seen a gun? Have you ever heard a gun? Have you ever seen someone be like, bzz, bzz, bzz?
Talking about holy wala gun. जब पानी खत्म हो जाता है ना तो that's ये आवाज.
No, even that's like. Psh. All right, let's move on. If you were a soup, what kind of soup would you be? I don't know. What kind? This isn't a joke or a pickup line. It's a chance for you to take part in a self-reflection exercise where you take a look at your qualities and make a decision on which soup best represents those qualities. Take this seriously, and we may both learn some things about you. Corn chowder. What soup would you guys be?
I think sweet
Man.
corn chicken soup.
Why?
Because मतलब जब सर्दी वर्दी होता है तो वो पीने के बाद ऐसे एक राहत मिलती है. And humidifier हमेशा कोल्ड में राहत देती है. So
Oh wow!
Man, so much hot.
Nice.
Yeah, what soup would you guys be?
Tomato.
Why?
Because I'm boring.
Okay.
Vishal will be that train वाला tomato soup पता है?
Yeah.
उसमें पसीना जाता है.
Bread के साथ.
जो एक सेकंड के लिए टमेटो सूप ले वो टमेटो लस्सी होता है ट्रेन में देखा तुमने इतना शुगर होता है उसपे निशान भाई
काढ़ा.
ऐश्वर्या व्हाट सूप वुड यू बी
I think I'll just be rasam or something.
व्हाई
because I'm trying to be soup, but I'm not. So I'm trying to be someone, but I'm not. I'm just not.
निशान
मेरे को पता ही नहीं था, मैं पर्सनल लाइफ में पहली बार खरोड़े का सूप ट्राई किया।
खरोड़ा
शूट करने गया था। हाँ,
What is a खरोड़ा?
बोन मैरो वो
Woo woo.
या बहुत जबरदस्त। पर वो विंटर्स के लिए होता है। मैंने गर्मी में पिया, ऐसा मस्त गरम
Oh
तो
wow. Chad,
काफी
what
सही।
soup would you be? I think I would be chicken unclear soup. If that was possible. Chicken hot and sour मैंने सोचा I would just be sour and sour. I would just be like
Yeah,
दो बार
sour
sour
and
बनते
bitter.
हैं. Sour and bitter soup. Yeah. Are you talking about yourself or me?
You only.
Are you calling me
only.
bitter?
I yes, very.
That's their couple name, sour and bitter.
Well, how do we take Aishwarya out of this? Okay, there you go. She's out of the mind. You know, you have a really contagious smile. Your dick probably contagious. Wow, she has said this.
It is.
Hey, that's not my fault. Your mom said she was clean.
Boys.
अब टिंडर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ गलत बातें हो रही है यहाँ पे.
हाँ
Yeah, but she started it.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली हाँ, इसमें तो
So
बेचारा
I think. Yeah, like I
He's
think.
giving it back.
Yeah.
और
हाँ,
शायद क्या पता वो उसकी मम्मी के साथ एक्चुअल में सोया हो, maybe it's honest, like who are we to judge?
You should just sit with this emoticon.
Yeah,
you know?
Pavi, just sit with this.
Yeah, just sit
Just
with
sit
it.
with this.
No, he probably like that's her mom.
Probably.
Oh, my mom's dead.
Ayyo.
Yeah, of the disease.
Guess that explains why she didn't say much. Wow, brutal.
कोई गिव अप ही नहीं कर रहा इनमें से।
नहीं
नहीं.
allowed है यार.
मतलब उसकी मम्मी ने तो give up कर दिया, like one person gave up.
Oh, this is a good one. Lauren, I must have dyslexia because I think you're unreal. Wow, that's a great
Lauren.
opening line.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
it's a good
God.
line.
Right.
मेहनत की है।
Sir, you have outdone yourself with that one.
Sir, I didn't get this.
Lauren.
Lauren
Lauren
का
and Ariel.
spelling
Oh!
anagram है Lauren.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
ये बता रहा हूँ भी ऐश्वर्या आकाश को बिठा के करेगी, मेरे नाम का बना।
Yeah.
बेचारा
No
आकाश-
letters, S सब
आकाश पैराग्राफ लिख रहा बैठ के।
Akash is just like those abacus kids, you know, just going like,
All right. Titanic. Titani. Titan. Tita. Tit. Yes, please. That is not where I intended this to go. Well, I did, but not so fast.
yeah, too good. From Titanic to Titanic, you're coming.
Yeah.
Well, that's what happened in the Titanic movie also.
That's
so.
fair.
Yeah.
That's
पर ये
fair.
टाइटैनिक क्रैश नहीं हुई.